Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a Joker Instagram reel by using a Joker Instagram filter on your Instagram. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and we just move on to the video. So to get this Joker effect, you just select the effect option here and click on the search option here. And you type as Joker. You can find this filter on the third portion, Joker PLAHACO. So this was the creator. So this filter was so amazing. Using this filter, there are more than lakhs of reels has been done using this filter. So it's so amazing. This Joker filter was so realistic. You can close your eyes. You can bring the filter for your close, and the filter is still on. So it's so good and it's so amazing. I compared other Joker filter with this particular filter, and it was so amazing rather than my other filters. This particular filter had made a trending and viral reels. So you can try this filter, Joker filter, for on your Instagram. So one of the best Joker filter I ever seen is this filter. So you can try this, and it was created by, you can see here, and the creator name has been mentioned here. So you can easily find this filter on your Instagram and try this filter on your Instagram and make a trending viral Instagram reel. Friends, if you find this filter so useful, then make sure to click on the subscribe button below and watch my every videos which gives us some tech information about Instagram or YouTube and many more applications. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video. Meet you on next video with the valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique.